Methi seeds or fenugreek seeds are prized for their nutritional value. These seeds are slightly bitter in taste, but when you sprout methi seeds, their bitterness is reduced to a great extent. Today we will see how to make a sabzi using these sprouted methi seeds. Firstly, we will see how to sprout methi seeds. Take a cup of methi seeds in a bowl, add water and rinse it a few times. Drain the water, add some more fresh water and keep the seeds soaked for 10 to 12 hours. After 12 hours, the seeds have absorbed the water. Now drain the water and place the seeds on a strainer in such a manner that the strainer is kept on a bowl or a vessel which is smaller than the strainer, and the strainer is exposed to air for proper air circulation. After 24 hours, the seeds have sprouted. See how beautifully they have sprouted. Keep the sprouted seeds aside. To make the sabzi, we will heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon oil, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. When the seeds start crackling, we'll add a pinch of asafoetida or hing, add 4 to 5 cloves of garlic chopped, half teaspoon of crushed ginger, 2 green chilies chopped. Saute this for few seconds. Add 1 large onion finely chopped. Add a pinch of salt. Adding salt helps the onions to cook faster as it absorbs moisture from the onions. Saute till the onion turns golden brown in color and are well cooked. Now add 1 tomato finely chopped. Saute till the tomato is cooked well. Add turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin coriander powder and a teaspoon of garam masala. Add little water to prevent the masalas from burning. Add 2 tablespoons of jaggery and 2 tablespoons of tamarind pulp. This helps to balance the bitterness of methi. Now add sprouted methi. Add 1/4 cup of water. Mix well, add salt as per taste. Cover and cook for 6 to 8 minutes. The methi seeds are cooked well. Garnish with chopped coriander. You can serve this with rotis, chapatis or as a side dish with dal rice. If you like the recipe, do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.